My name's Ted Sankey. I'm a project manager and engineer. I work for Howard Concrete Pumping Company. Behind me is a project we're doing for Turner Construction with Penn State being the owner. Doing 174 7-inch diameter micropiles, all cased to top of rock with a 9-foot rock socket. All these are being duplex drilled with Kamakio drill rigs, and we're also grouting them using some Penn drill equipment you can see behind me as well. We also had the shoring scope, which is a soldier pile, lagging, and tieback wall. So it involved a good amount of grouting along with all of the grouting that's taking place for the micropiles. So this setup specifically behind me, we have the PD 800 silo along with the 1011 grout plant. It has the integral high pressure pump, which we actually used quite a bit on the tiebacks for post grouting purposes. We had large grout takes in general. This area has karst topography. Anybody that's worked up here knows exactly how that goes. With the tiebacks, we did have substantial post grouting to do, so it helped out a good bit there. It's nice, compact, keeps everything in line. It's been great to grout with, and having the integral high pressure pump's been huge. Makes for easy transport, storage, loading, unloading. In Turner's trade-specific scope of work for the shoring contractor as well as the micropile contractor, it was a requirement to use a silo to avoid using bagged Portland, mostly as an effort to mitigate any of the silica on the project. Also, having a silo obviously takes up less of a footprint, minimizes truckloads of cement coming in and out, probably on a daily basis if we were breaking bags. Eliminates some of the material handling hazards as well. But overall, increases grouting efficiency, time to mix, time to pump, time between batches, it decreases that substantially. So it keeps progress moving at a good pace versus having to break bags and going that route. Penn Drill's been really great for us. Their technical support's been great. I can make a phone call and usually don't have to leave a message or send an email or anything like that. We look forward to continuing to use their stuff.